OpenAI has finally launched its highly anticipated Chatgpt Store. This new marketplace is set to completely transform the world of AI by allowing anyone to access, create, and even profit from custom conversational AI assistants. But what exactly is this new Chatgpt Store, and how can you leverage it to unlock new revenue streams or bring your innovative ideas to life? Well, if you want to learn everything, then stay tuned until the end, as I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know in this quick video. First things first, let's talk about how you can actually access this revolutionary new marketplace. Now, the Chatgpt Store is currently being gradually rolled out to all Chatgpt Plus and Enterprise customers, so just log into your Chatgpt account and click Explore, then look for the GPT Store tab on the left side menu. You'll then arrive at the main store dashboard showcasing trending and featured GPT apps of the week built by other users and the OpenAI team. It almost feels like browsing the App Store on your phone. There are helpful categories and lists too, so you can easily find writing assistants, research tools, programming tutors, plus much more. And when we're talking about generative AI, new custom apps will be added every single week by OpenAI, so there's always something fresh for you to try out. Now on to the exciting part. How can you tap into this opportunity and start building your own money-making GPTs? Well, it's as simple as tapping the Create New GPT button and letting your imagination run wild. Do you have an idea for a fitness coach GPT that can provide personalized nutrition plans? Or how about an AI-powered grammar correcting tool? A virtual study buddy for helping students prep for exams? The options are limitless. Once you've settled on your million-dollar concept, it's time to set your GPT assistant to work by providing detailed guidelines and example conversations for it to learn from. This step is crucial to ensure your custom bot delivers helpful and accurate responses aligned to your goals. Then comes the fun part, testing out your creation. ChatGPT's sandbox interface lets you have actual conversations with your GPT to refine its knowledge. Ask it some challenging questions and tweak the instructions until you're fully satisfied. Then just hit the magical Publish button, and just like that, your GPT will be live and ready to be shared with millions of ChatGPT users around the world. And the best part is, you can even make passive income, as OpenAI will reward creators based on usage and engagement. So more people using your GPT equals more money for you. How cool is that? So now you know how to tap into this game-changing new ChatGPT marketplace to build and publish your own custom GPT assistants. But how exactly can you monetize your creation and start earning some lucrative passive revenue? Well, OpenAI has announced that a usage and engagement-based compensation model is on the way. Essentially, you'll earn money when people interact with your GPT app in the store. I'm speculating that OpenAI might track metrics like daily active users, session length, and conversation depth to gauge genuine engagement. The more users your GPT connects with and the more value it provides through meaningful dialogues, the bigger your potential payouts. While we await exact details, this framework seems fair and sustainable for all parties involved. But driving organic engagement isn't always easy. So here are my 5 hot tips to effectively promote your money-making GPT both inside and outside the ChatGPT ecosystem. Number 1. Choose a catchy and descriptive name and icon to grab attention when users browse the store. Standing out is critical. Number 2. Leverage social platforms like Twitter and Reddit to spread awareness of your creation. Share the direct link for easy access. Number 3. Write compelling use case examples right in your GPT's instructions to showcase possibilities. This helps drive usage. Number 4. Continuously refine your GPT with more data and guidelines to improve quality. Top-rated tools get more visibility. And number 5. Integrate your custom bot with external tools using APIs for additional functionality. This unlocks more monetization streams through premium features. Beyond writing assistants and research buddies, some neat use cases gaining traction are: smart home managers control appliances and optimize energy usage based on sensor data and electricity prices. Fitness trainers that design personalized workout and meal plans adapted to your changing health goals. Meditation guides that conduct reflective sessions using your webcam to monitor posture and breathing techniques in real time. There are even totally wacky viral opportunities like the hot dog detector GPT that tells you if an image contains a hot dog or not. The key is identifying an audience need and designing an AI solution that seamlessly addresses it. But while riding the revenue wave, remember, your GPT cannot infringe on existing copyrights and trademarks, or you risk getting sued. Standing on the shoulders of AI giants is great, but blatantly copying others won't fly here. The key is ensuring your idea offers a unique twist or additional value while avoiding shady practices. The opportunities here are ripe for taking as long as we approach this responsibly and focus all our creative efforts on constructing something inventive that moves conversations forward rather than backward. So tell me, what genius GPT application are you ready to unleash onto the world next? The possibilities at your fingertips are endless. This is only just the beginning. While we've explored the personal use cases, I also want to highlight the major opportunities on the business side with ChatGPT Enterprise. This elevated tier unlocks advanced features like training GPT models on private company data for truly tailored solutions. Just imagine the possibilities. Financial institutions could develop intelligent chatbots to provide personalized investment advice by assessing client portfolios. Healthcare providers could build diagnostic tools analyzing patient medical histories to better assist doctors. The customer service applications are immense, and the custom integration options are endless thanks to OpenAI APIs. For instance, linking an inventory management GPT to live warehouses, so assistants can check and update stock data in real time when chatting with customers. As you can see, this new ChatGPT store signals a pivotal point in democratizing AI and unlocking new revenue streams for both entrepreneurs and enterprises. I firmly believe this marketplace will greatly expand public access to the latest advancements to drive innovation forward. When creators around the globe can easily tap into generations of gathered knowledge to bring ideas to life, magical things happen. Problems get solved, efficiencies improve, new solutions emerge, and progress accelerates exponentially. So in closing, I want to reiterate the key opportunities here today that make this launch so monumental. For one, anyone can now build specialized GPT assistants to publish and profit from directly with no complex coding required. And two, the possibilities for helpful collaborative applications are endless as long as we nurture creativity responsibly. The doors to shape the future are wide open, folks, so let your imagination run wild out there. I can't wait to see the next era of positive change this kicks off. So tell me down below, what kind of GPT are you planning to build next with all this possibility at your fingertips? Let's talk. Just think about the immense power now available at your fingertips. You can leverage generations of accumulated knowledge to create almost anything imaginable, from helpful personal assistants to innovative business solutions. The only limit is your creativity. So I encourage you to start brainstorming ideas for your next world-changing GPT app today. What persisting problem can you solve, or which industry can you revolutionize? This is your chance to make your mark, so let me know what you come up with. I genuinely can't wait to see the future unfold.